All right, check out this, guys and gals. This is the plate we had. This is a number 22. 20 and 22. Now look at what we're going to be getting. Are you kidding me? Look at the difference. This thing is a meat eater. Holy cow. That's the first run. And this is the second grind. Oh man, I'm excited. All right, what else do I got to show you? Oh yeah. Tell me this thing, look at this. This is what we have. This is what we're getting. Major Ninja Star. Come on! Alright. That I can't wait to do a video on. That is going to be awesome. Alright, what else? While we get the video going. Yeah, I think that's it right now. Alright, we love you. Peace out.